Amplify Service Cloud Online. Training. Introduction to Amplify Service Cloud, Features and Benefits. Introduction to Amplify Service Cloud, Features and Benefits. Amplify Service Cloud is a comprehensive customer service platform designed to help businesses deliver exceptional customer experiences through efficient, streamlined, and personalized interactions across multiple channels. As part of Amplify's unified CX, customer experience, platform, the Service Cloud emphasizes scalability, AI-driven insights, and real-time engagement. Key features. Omnichannel support. Provides seamless customer interaction across various channels including social media, email, chat, phone, and messaging platforms. Agents can respond and manage cases in a single unified dashboard, ensuring a consistent customer experience. AI-powered automation. Uses AI and automation tools to handle repetitive tasks, such as routing tickets to the right agent, providing self-service solutions, and offering chatbots for instant customer assistance. This helps improve response times and frees up agents to focus on complex queries. Customer interaction management. Centralize all customer interactions in one platform. This allows agents to have a full 360-degree view of customer history, preferences, and behaviors, helping them deliver more personalized and informed support. Real-time analytics and reporting. Provides advanced analytics and reporting features, enabling businesses to track key performance indicators, KPIs, customer satisfaction metrics, and agent performance. Insights gained can be used to make data-driven decisions and continuously optimize the service experience. Self-service portals. Empowers customers with self-service options through knowledge bases, FAQs, and community forums. This reduces the load on customer support teams and improves customer satisfaction by offering quick solutions. Social listening and engagement. Integrated social listening tools allow businesses to monitor and engage with customers on social media platforms. By tracking brand mentions, sentiments, and customer feedback in real time, businesses can respond proactively to issues or questions. Collaborative tools. Supports collaboration among customer service agents, enabling teams to share insights, escalate cases, or collaborate on complex issues. Internal messaging, ticket sharing, and case management tools foster teamwork and faster problem resolution. Customizable workflows. The platform allows businesses to customize workflows and processes to align with specific service operations. From case escalation paths to automatic ticket assignment rules, businesses can tailor the system to fit their unique requirements. Benefits. Enhanced customer satisfaction. By offering personalized and timely support, Amplify Service Cloud improves overall customer satisfaction. Omnichannel engagement ensures customers can choose their preferred communication method, while AI-driven tools allow for faster issue resolution. Increased agent efficiency. AI-powered automation helps reduce the number of repetitive tasks agents handle, allowing them to focus on higher-value tasks. The platform's centralized dashboard also reduces complexity, helping agents work more efficiently. Amplify Service Cloud for enhancing customer support efficiency. Amplify Service Cloud is designed to enhance customer support efficiency through a variety of features and capabilities that streamline interactions, improve response times, and provide valuable insights into customer needs. Here are some key aspects of how it achieves this. 1. Unified customer experience. Omnichannel support. Amplify integrates various communication channels, social media, email, chat, SMS, into a single platform, allowing support teams to manage interactions seamlessly. Consistent messaging ensures that customers receive consistent information regardless of the channel they use, improving trust and satisfaction. 2. AI-powered automation. Chatbots and virtual assistants, these tools handle routine inquiries, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues. This increases overall response times and reduces workload. Smart routing uses AI to analyze incoming requests and direct them to the most appropriate agent based on expertise and availability. 3. Comprehensive knowledge base. Self-service options. Customers can access a robust knowledge base to find answers independently, which can reduce the volume of incoming support requests. Dynamic content. The knowledge base can be updated automatically based on common queries, ensuring that information remains relevant. 4. Real-time analytics and insights. Performance metrics provides detailed analytics on agent performance, customer satisfaction scores, and response times, allowing organizations to identify areas for improvement. Customer Insights analyzes customer interactions to identify trends, preferences, and pain points, enabling proactive support strategies. 5. Collaboration tools. Team collaboration supports internal collaboration through tools that allow agents to share information and insights, enhancing the overall support process. Escalation management simplifies the process of escalating issues that require additional expertise, ensuring quicker resolutions. 6. Integration capabilities. Third-party tools easily integrates with CRM systems, marketing platforms, and other business applications, creating a more cohesive workflow. Data synchronization ensures that customer data is up to date across all platforms, enabling personalized support experiences. 7. Scalability. Flexible solutions scales according to business needs, accommodating growth without compromising service quality. Adaptable features adjusts to varying customer demands, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. 8. Customer feedback mechanisms. Surveys and feedback tools collects feedback post-interaction to assess customer satisfaction and gather suggestions for improvement. Continuous improvement uses feedback data to refine processes and training programs for support staff. Amplify Service Cloud best practices for implementation. Implementing Amplify Service Cloud can enhance customer engagement and streamline service operations. Here are some best practices for a successful implementation. 1. Define clear objectives. Set specific goals. Identify what you want to achieve with Amplify, such as improving response times, increasing customer satisfaction, or enhancing agent productivity. Align with business strategy. Ensure your objectives align with broader business goals. 2. Engage stakeholders. Involve key teams, include representatives from customer service, IT, marketing, and sales in the planning process. Gather feedback. Regularly solicit input from stakeholders to refine your implementation strategy. 3. Data preparation. Data quality. Ensure that existing customer data is clean, accurate, and up-to-date before migration. Mapping. Define how data from existing systems will map to Amplify's structure. 4. Customization and configuration. Tailor the platform. Customize the Amplify Service Cloud to fit your business processes and workflows. Utilize features. Take full advantage of features like AI chatbots, automation, and reporting tools to enhance service delivery. 5. Training and change management. Comprehensive training. Provide thorough training for all users to ensure they understand how to leverage the platform effectively. Change management strategy. Develop a plan to address resistance and foster acceptance among team members. 6. Integration with existing systems. Connect other tools. Ensure Amplify integrates smoothly with other customer relationship management, CRM, systems, communication tools, and data sources. API utilization. Use Amplify APIs for seamless data exchange and workflow automation. 7. Monitor performance. Key performance indicators, KPIs. Define KPIs to measure success, such as response times, resolution rates, and customer satisfaction scores. Regular reviews. Schedule periodic assessments to evaluate performance against your objectives and make necessary adjustments. 8. Focus on continuous improvement. Feedback loops. Establish mechanisms for collecting feedback from both customers and agents to identify areas for improvement. Iterative enhancements. Use insights gained from performance reviews and feedback to continually refine processes and functionalities. 9. Leverage analytics. Data-driven decisions. Utilize Amplify's analytics capabilities to derive insights from customer interactions, enabling more informed decision-making. Predictive insights. Implement predictive analytics to anticipate customer needs and improve proactive service offerings. 10. Ensure compliance and security. Data privacy. Make sure your implementation adheres to data protection regulations, example GDPR. Security measures. Implement robust security protocols to safeguard customer data and maintain trust. Exploring automation capabilities in Amplify Service Cloud. Amplify Service Cloud offers a range of automation capabilities designed to enhance customer service and operational efficiency. Here's an overview of some key features. 1. AI-powered chatbots. 24/7 support. Automate responses to common inquiries, reducing the need for human agents. Contextual understanding. Use natural language processing, NLP, to understand customer queries and provide relevant answers. 2. Automated ticketing. Smart routing. Automatically categorize and route tickets to the appropriate department or agent based on predefined rules. Escalation management. Set up rules for automatic escalation of tickets that remain unresolved for a certain period. 3. Self-service portals. Knowledge base. Create a repository of FAQs and tutorials that customers can access without agent intervention. Interactive guides. Use step-by-step guides and tutorials to help users solve issues independently. 4. Workflow automation. Task automation. Automate repetitive tasks such as sending follow-up emails or notifications to customers and agents. Approval processes. Streamline approval workflows for various requests, reducing delays and improving efficiency. 5. Analytics and reporting. Performance metrics. Use automated reporting tools to analyze service performance, customer satisfaction, and agent efficiency. Predictive insights. Leverage AI to identify trends and make predictions about customer needs and service demands. 6. Integrations. Third-party tools seamlessly integrate with other platforms like CRM and marketing tools to automate data sharing and task management. API access. Utilize APIs to create custom automation solutions tailored to specific business needs. 7. Feedback automation. Surveys and feedback requests. Automatically send surveys after interactions to gather customer feedback and improve services. Sentiment analysis. Use AI to analyze customer feedback and gauge sentiment, helping to identify areas for improvement. 8. Monitoring and alerts. Real-time alerts. Set up automated alerts for service-level agreements, SLAs, and critical incidents to ensure timely responses. Performance monitoring. Continuously monitor system performance and service metrics to identify potential issues. Benefits of automation in Amplify Service Cloud. Improved efficiency. Reduces the workload on agents, allowing them to focus on more complex issues. Enhanced customer experience. Provides quicker responses and resolutions, leading to higher customer satisfaction. Cost savings. Automating routine tasks can lead to significant savings in operational costs. Amplify Service Cloud for omni-channel customer engagement. Amplify Service Cloud for omni-channel customer engagement. Amplify Service Cloud is a robust platform designed to enhance customer engagement across various channels, facilitating seamless communication and interactions between businesses and their customers. Here's an expanded overview. Key features. Omnichannel support. Integrates multiple communication channels, including social media, email, chat, SMS, and voice, allowing customers to engage with brands through their preferred mediums. Provides a unified view of customer interactions, ensuring consistency in messaging and service quality. AI-powered insights. Utilizes artificial intelligence to analyze customer interactions and derive actionable insights, helping businesses understand customer preferences and behaviors. Offers automated recommendations for improving service strategies and enhancing customer experiences. Personalized engagement. Leverages customer data to deliver tailored experiences, ensuring that communication is relevant and timely. Supports personalized marketing campaigns, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Workflow automation. Streamlines customer service processes through automation, reducing response times and improving operational efficiency. Facilitates automated ticketing, case management, and resolution tracking. Self-service capabilities. Enables customers to find solutions to their inquiries through self-service options, such as knowledge bases, FAQs, and chatbots. Reduces the load on customer support teams while empowering customers to resolve issues independently. Analytics and reporting provides comprehensive analytics tools to measure engagement metrics, customer satisfaction, and agent performance. Generates detailed reports to help businesses make data-driven decisions and refine their customer engagement strategies. Integration with existing systems. Easily integrates with CRM systems, marketing automation tools, and other business applications, ensuring a cohesive ecosystem for managing customer relationships. Supports API integrations for customized solutions tailored to specific business needs. Security and compliance. Adheres to industry standards for data security and privacy, ensuring that customer information is protected. Offers tools for managing compliance with regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. Benefits. Enhanced customer experience. By providing a seamless and personalized engagement experience, businesses can improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. Performance optimization strategies in Amplify Service Cloud. Optimizing performance in Amplify Service Cloud involves several strategies to enhance speed, reliability, and user experience. Here are some key strategies. 1. Data management. Data cleaning. Regularly clean and manage data to remove duplicates and irrelevant information, which can slow down performance. Archiving. Implement data archiving strategies to move inactive data to slower storage, freeing up resources for active data. 2. API optimization. Rate limiting. Implement rate limiting to prevent API overload, ensuring that requests are processed efficiently. Batch processing. Use batch processing for API calls to reduce the number of individual requests, which can improve throughput. 3. Caching strategies. Response caching. Cache frequent API responses to reduce the time taken for repeated requests. Content Delivery Network. CDN. Utilize a CDN to cache static assets, reducing load times for end users by delivering content from the nearest geographical location. 4. User interface optimization. Minimize load times. Optimize front-end performance by minimizing assets, compressing images, and reducing JavaScript execution time. Lazy loading. Implement lazy loading for images and components to improve initial load times, loading resources only as they come into the viewport. 5. Monitoring and analytics. Performance monitoring. Use tools to monitor system performance in real time and identify bottlenecks. Analytics review. Regularly review analytics to understand user behavior and identify areas for improvement. 6. Scalability planning. Load balancing. Implement load balancing to distribute incoming traffic evenly across servers, ensuring no single server becomes a bottleneck. Horizontal scaling. Plan for horizontal scaling by adding more servers to handle increased load rather than upgrading existing hardware. 7. Testing and feedback loops. Regular performance testing. Conduct performance testing and stress testing to identify weaknesses in the system. User feedback. Collect user feedback to pinpoint areas where performance can be improved based on actual user experience. 8. Automation and workflow optimization. Automate repetitive tasks. Use automation tools to reduce manual workloads, freeing up resources for more critical tasks. Optimize workflows. Analyze and streamline workflows to eliminate unnecessary steps, reducing overall processing time. 9. Training and best practices. User training. Provide training for users on best practices to utilize the system efficiently. Documentation. Maintain comprehensive documentation that includes performance optimization tips and best practices. How Amplify Service Cloud improves customer satisfaction. Amplify Service Cloud enhances customer satisfaction through several key features and functionalities. Omnichannel support. Amplify provides a seamless experience across various communication channels, including social media, email, chat, and phone. This ensures that customers can reach support through their preferred channel, reducing frustration and improving response times. AI-powered insights. The platform utilizes AI to analyze customer interactions and sentiment, enabling businesses to understand customer needs better. This data helps agents provide more personalized responses and solutions, enhancing overall customer experiences. Automated workflows. Amplify automates repetitive tasks, allowing agents to focus on more complex customer issues. This increases efficiency and reduces resolution times, leading to faster service and higher satisfaction. Self-service options. The platform offers self-service resources, such as knowledge bases and FAQs, empowering customers to find answers on their own. This not only reduces the load on support teams but also meets customers' preferences for quick, accessible information. Customer feedback loop. Amplify enables businesses to collect and analyze customer feedback continuously. This feedback is vital for improving services and products, showing customers that their opinions are valued and considered in decision-making. Personalized customer interactions. By leveraging data from past interactions and preferences, Amplify allows agents to tailor their responses to individual customers. This personalized approach builds trust and satisfaction. Performance analytics. Amplify provides detailed analytics on service performance, helping teams identify areas for improvement. By monitoring key metrics, businesses can make data-driven decisions to enhance their service offerings. Integration capabilities. The platform easily integrates with existing CRM and support tools, creating a unified ecosystem. This reduces the friction of switching between applications, allowing support teams to work more effectively and provide better service. Scalability. Amplify can scale with business growth, ensuring that customer service capabilities remain robust as demand increases. This scalability helps maintain high service levels during peak times. Agent training and development. The platform includes tools for training agents, ensuring they have the skills needed to provide exceptional customer service. Well-trained agents are more confident and effective, leading to improved customer interactions. Advanced analytics and reporting in Amplify Service Cloud. Advanced analytics and reporting in Amplify Service Cloud provide powerful insights to enhance customer engagement and operational efficiency. Here's a breakdown of key features and capabilities. 1. Comprehensive data integration. Unified data sources. Integrate data from various platforms, social media, CRM, etc., for a holistic view of customer interactions. Real-time data updates ensure analytics reflect the most current data for timely decision-making. 2. In-depth analytics. Customer insights analyze customer behaviors, preferences, and trends to tailor strategies. Sentiment analysis utilize natural language processing to gauge customer sentiment across channels. 3. Custom reporting. Flexible reporting templates create reports tailored to specific needs, metrics, and KPIs. Visualization tools use charts, graphs, and dashboards to present data clearly and effectively. 4. Performance metrics. Track KPIs, monitor key performance indicators related to customer service, engagement rates, and response times. Benchmarking, compare performance against industry standards or historical data to identify areas for improvement. 5. Predictive analytics. Forecasting trends, leverage historical data to predict future customer behaviors and market trends. Proactive insights use predictive models to identify potential issues before they escalate. 6. Automated reporting. Scheduled reports set up automated reports to be generated and sent to stakeholders regularly. Alerts and notifications receive alerts for significant changes in metrics or trends that require immediate attention. 7. User-friendly interface. Intuitive dashboards navigate easily through analytics dashboards for quick access to key insights. Customization options. Users can personalize their dashboard views based on their roles and interests. 8. Collaboration features. Shared insights facilitate collaboration by sharing reports and dashboards with team members. Commenting and annotations allow users to add notes or insights directly on reports for contextual understanding. 9. Compliance and security. Data security. Ensure compliance with data protection regulations while handling customer data. Role-based access. Control access to analytics and reporting features based on user roles. 10. Continuous improvement. Feedback loops. Gather feedback from users to refine analytics capabilities and reporting features continuously. Training and support. Provide resources to help users maximize the use of analytics tools. Thank you.